Okay, well, we're going to get started. Today we're going to do the Daisy Safety Award. So my name is Jennifer Parker, and I'm a Community Troop Support Manager in the central region of Ohio, or northwestern Ohio. We're coming to you live from Columbus Grove today. Does anybody know where that is? It's just a little bit north of Lima. I am also a first aid and CPR instructor, so that's why I am talking about Safety Award today. So our 3 steps to get your Daisy Safety Award are learn how to call for help, what to do if somebody is choking, and then stop, drop, and roll. Okay, we're still getting a few more people on. Is today for Brownie or Daisy? This morning is Daisy, and then this afternoon is going to be Brownie. So, okay, so first thing to do is in the description there is a worksheet that you can download, and it's called Be Prepared. So we want to make sure that you're prepared in case of an emergency. So here, I have filled mine out right here. You can see it. So my name is Jennifer Parker. Now you want to know your phone number. So my phone number is 419-225-3044. You'd get me at work if you called me there. Okay? And then my address, again, my work address is 1870 West Robb Avenue, Lima, Ohio, 45805. So then at the bottom of your worksheet, you can practice. We got a little picture. It looks like an iPhone kind of. So you can practice dialing your number. And then the number for help in case of emergency is 911. So we have that on there for you to practice too. So you remember, dial the number, 911, and then press send. Okay? So if there's ever an emergency, you call, and then you want to give them your information. So what happens if you are out hiking and then there's an emergency, or you get lost? How do you call for help if you're lost in the woods? Does anybody have any ideas? So if you're lost in the woods, what would you do? Yes, they help very, very loud. This is Chase, my son. He's here helping me out a little bit. So he would say, help very, very loud. Okay. And so if you get lost in the woods and you're by yourself, the best thing to do is stay where you are. So go find a tree, hug it, okay? You're going to hug the tree. You're going to stay there because it's best to stay in place because then people will be able to find you that way. And then I pick the song that I can sing the loudest. So somebody says, shout, good job. Sit and wait for help, great. So I pick a song that I can sing really, really loud. So I would do, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, la da 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 da. See, I can sing that really, really loud. And I can do it over and over and over again. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, la da 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 da. Okay. Also, if you are lost in the woods, do call 911 if you have your phone with you. If not, remember, stay in place. So today we needed to bring 2 things with us. Does anybody see those in the comments? You needed 2 things. So if you don't have them, you can go ahead and grab them real quick. A stuffed animal. I have Starfly here. Okay. And a blanket. We're going to use both of these here in a little bit. So grab your stuffed animals. You can join us in. And we're going to practice what to do if you're choking. Okay. Does anybody know what the universal sign for choking is? Think about that. If you were choking, what would you do? What would you do to let everybody know that you were choking? Any ideas? What would you do? Oh, 1 second. Hold your neck. Right. Great job. Thank you. So you're going to hold your neck like this. Oh my gosh, I'm choking. Okay. And then we got to know what to do. So if somebody's choking, who do we call for help? Who do we call for help, boys?
911.
911. Okay. My sons are here. Chase, he's my 6-year-old. Say hi, Chase. And then Caden. He's my 8-year-old, and they're gonna help us. We're gonna practice what to do if you're choking on our stuffed animals. So guys, grab your stuffed animals. I've got mine back here. Oh, mine's a little big. This is Bernard. Hi. Chase, why don't you come over here? There you go, right there, perfect. Okay, so we got our stuffed animals here. First thing you're gonna do is put your hand in front of them like this. We got our hand on here, and we're gonna lean forward like this, and you're gonna take your hand, the palm of your hand, right there, that part, and we're gonna hit them on the back 5 times between their shoulders. So here's the shoulders back here, right between there. You're gonna hit 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. And then we're gonna lean them back like this. We're gonna find your belly button. You're gonna find the belly button and put your hand just above it. And then Bernard's head is too floppy. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna show you on Caden here real quick so you can see a little bit better. Do we ever practice this on a real human? I would never do the real hands on them, but so you would lean forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then stand up, and I find his belly button. Whoop, I'm tickling him. Okay, find your belly button, and then you put your hands above it, and then you go like that. And then you would go 1, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just try to push that out. And then you would keep going. Then I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But I wouldn't really do it. So you practice on your stuffed animals. So we have, in addition to having my boys with me today, I have my husband Lee with me, and he is a firefighter. So he's going to talk to you a little bit about doing stop, drop, and roll. So I'm going to have Lee come on in. Boys, back up.
Hello, everyone. My name's Lee. I'm a firefighter, and we're going to talk about stop, drop, and roll. So first, stop, drop, and roll is for when a person gets on fire. You know, their pants or their shirt or something catches on fire. What normally happens when someone catches on fire? They run around like this. They're crazy. They don't, because they're on fire, they're panicking. But whenever there's an emergency, first thing you need to do is stop, make sure you're calm, and then take care of the emergency. Right, Caden?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So I'm going to have Caden, you're going to stand up for me, all right? Okay, so Caden, your pants caught on fire. What do? First thing you do is stop. The next thing you do is you drop. And the next thing you do is you roll. Roll back and forth, roll back and forth. Okay, if Caden was by himself, that'd be good. And you just keep rolling back and forth until the fire goes out. Okay?
Thanks, Caden.
And then...
Chase.
And then if you're there and you see someone that was on fire, you would tell them, stop, drop, and roll. And then you would try to find something like a blanket or a towel or something, and you can cover them and kind of smother the fire like that while they were trying to roll until the fire goes out. See? There's a simple, easy thing to help people that could be hurt or could be on fire. Another thing this time of year is to check your smoke detectors to make sure that your smoke detectors are all working properly. Make sure that you press the button and that it goes off, and make sure that you've replaced your batteries if they're ones that the batteries need to be replaced.
Okay. So, remember, so also if you catch on fire too, you want to have somebody call 911, not you if you're on fire, but make sure that if you see somebody on fire, you tell somebody specifically, hey, Caden, you go call 911. Make sure you point out to the person and tell them what to do. Erica says, hi, Lee. My nickname's Lee. Cool. So So remember, so the 3 things that you have to practice at home are how to call for help. So you have that worksheet attached that you can fill out and practice calling for help at home. What to do if somebody's choking. So you do the 5 back blows and then 5 abdominal thrusts, and you keep doing that. And then if you catch on fire, you need to make sure that you stop, drop, and roll. So if everybody wants to practice, thanks everybody.